Dear learners, welcome to our comprehensive learning. Let us cover the next 20 set of questions of SSC Junior Engineer Civil 2018 Set 9, that is the questions from 161 to 180. Let us see question number 161. Concrete containing. So several options are given. Actually, the concrete contains siliceous aggregate which has higher coefficient of expansion, igneous aggregate which has intermediate coefficient of expansion, limestone which has lowest coefficient of expansion. So all these options are correct. So the answer is option D. All options are correct. Next question, tricalcium aluminate. So this type of questions are very common in the public exams. The box compounds of cement. You will be familiar with that. There are four box compounds of cement. So each compound will be having particular function. Okay, so any compound can be asked for the exam. So here the C3A, that is tricalcium aluminate, is asked. So let us see what is the purpose of tricalcium aluminate. Tricalcium aluminate actually it does not contribute to any strength. It helps in the initial setting and early hardening. Okay, when water is added, this C3A gets hydrated first. Okay, this will be reacting fast with water, this element. So the options are generates less heat of hydration, no. Causes initial setting and early strength. It causes initial setting, but it will not give strength to the cement. Does not contribute to develop ultimate strength. Okay, so here the answer is option A, and actually option D, that is does not contribute to develop ultimate strength, is also correct. So there is a confusion in this question. We can stick on to the option A, which is which it reacts fast with water. Okay, next question 163. The percentage of the aggregate of FM is finest modulus 2.6 to be combined with coarse aggregate of FM 6.8 for obtaining the aggregates of FM 5.4 is. So the combined aggregates finest modulus is given. The question is to find out the percentage of the fine aggregate um, that has to be calculated. Okay, the finest modulus of a coarse aggregate is already given. So for this, one equation is the finest modulus of combined is given by the formula F equal to F1 into Y plus F2 into 1 minus Y. Here F is the resultant finest modulus, that is a combined aggregate finest modulus. F1 is the finest modulus of fine aggregate and F2 is the finest modulus of coarse aggregate. And Y is the proportion of fine aggregate in combined aggregate. But we in this question is asked to find out the ratio of fine aggregate on coarse aggregate in combined aggregate. So the equation is x equal to F2 minus F by F minus F1. So x can be find out by F2 is 6.8 and F is, that is combined aggregate finest modulus, is 5.4 and F1 is 2.6. So by calculating you will get the answer as 0.5. Next question, pick up the correct statement from the following. Water enables chemical reaction to take place with cement. It's true. Water lubricates the mixture of gravel, sand and cement. Yes. Only a small quantity of water is required for hydration of cement. That is also true. So the answer is option D. All options are correct. Next question. If the slump of a concrete mix is 60 mm, its workability is. So depending upon the slump value, we can classify the degree of workability. If the slump value is between 25 to 50 mm, it is low workability. 50 to 100 medium and 100 to 150 high. So here in the question it is given 60 mm. So the degree of workability is medium. That is option C. Next question. Pick up the incorrect statement from the following while performing preliminary test on concrete. Incorrect statement. Okay. Option A, proportions of the material and water should be the same as to be used at the work site. True. Cement should be mixed by hand in order to maintain uniformity. Yes, in some cases we do so. Concrete mix should be stored in airtight containers. True. Concrete ingredients should be kept at a temperature of 37 plus or minus 2 degrees Celsius. That is not correct. The ingredients should be kept at temperature of 24 degrees Celsius. So the answer is option D. That is which is the incorrect statement. Next question. While compacting the concrete by a mechanical vibrator, the slump should not exceed. Uh, by when we are compacting the concrete by mechanical vibrators, slump should not exceed 5 centimeter. Okay, so the answer is option B, 5 centimeter. Next question. Non-uniform compaction may cause the concrete. Okay, so here if we are not compacting properly, porous will occur, non-homogeneity, and it decreases the strength. So all options are correct. So the answer is option D. All options are correct. Next question. A construction joint is provided where bending moment is small, shear force is small, the member is supported by other member. Actually, a construction joint is provided for all these conditions. So the answer is option D. All options are correct. Next question. The type of aggregates not suitable for high strength concrete and for pavement subjected to tension is. This rounded aggregate have very low strength and higher workability. So rounded aggregate are not used for such conditions. So the answer is option A. Next question. IS sieve number 10 mm and 4.7 mm are generally used for grading of. This is used for both coarse and fine aggregates. So the answer is option C, both coarse aggregates and fine aggregates. Next question. Pick up the correct statement from the following. Sand obtained from pits is washed to remove clay and silt. True. Sand obtained from flooded pits need not be washed before use. True. Seashore sand contains chlorides which cause efflorescence. All these options are correct. So the answer is option D. All options are correct. Next question. The risk of segregation is more for better mix, larger proportion of maximum size aggregate, coarser grinding. Actually, all these options are correct. So the answer is option D. All options are correct. Next question. The cement whose strength is a little lower than the ordinary cement during the first 3 months but attains afterwards the same strength is known as. Here in option, low heat Portland cement is there. It has little lower strength than ordinary Portland cement in the first 3 months, but after that they have the same strength. This is because it has low heat generation and sets slowly, and that's why it gains strength slowly. So the answer is option A, low heated Portland cement. Next question. The maximum size of aggregate in concrete depends upon thickness of structural section, spacing of reinforcement, clear cover. All these options are correct. So the answer is option D. Next question. Which one of the following material is used as a bonding admixture? Natural rubber, synthetic rubber, organic polymers. Here also the answer is option D. All options are correct. Identify the correct statements. Expanding cement is used for filling the crack. No. White cement is mostly used for decorative works. No. Portland Pozzolano cement produces less heat of hydration. That is also false. High strength Portland cement is produced from the special material. Yes, this high strength Portland cement is a special type of cement which have higher content of alite C3S to give rapid hardening and setting properties. So the answer is option D. Next question. Which of the following is or are deleterious material in aggregate? Deleterious materials are the harmful or injurious substances found in the surface of the aggregate. They are salts, organic impurities, friable particles, coal, lightweight materials like etc. So all these options are coming. So the answer is option D. Next question. In a singly reinforced beam, the effective depth is measured from its compression edge to. We always measure the effective depth from top to the tensile reinforcement. That is the middle of that bar. Okay, so the answer is option B. Next question, in a doubly reinforced beam, if C and T are stresses in concrete and tension reinforcement, D is the effective depth and N is the depth of critical neutral axis, the following relationship holds good. Answer is option A, MC by T equal to N by D minus A. Thus, it comes to an end to this section. Thank you for listening. If you have any doubts, you can comment below. Thank you once again.